What's up guys, Dennis here, and I just wanted to share this with you. I got home from work today and I found this package in my mailbox from Australia. This is from old Foundry man, Martin, and he told me this was coming and he announced it on his channel that for my participation in the 2019 Openers Open, he thought that the bottle opener I made from scrap around the shop, kind of a last minute project, was pretty creative and wanted to send me a little something. Not the first place prize, but I guess a runner-up. Yeah, this is really exciting. I've never gotten anything from Australia in my life ever, I don't think, and I've never gotten any kind of award or anything for the videos I've done on my channel. So I thought I'd open this up on camera. I haven't even opened it yet. It's still sealed. I don't want to give away any personal information here, but I thought we could open it up and take a look at it. Alright, well I don't normally do unboxing videos, so this is a little bit unusual for me. So I don't know really how this goes. I'm not going to flip it over because it's got some return address information on there. How do people do this with the camera like right in the way? Like wrapping my hands around it. This is so awkward. Here, let me see if I can get a better angle here. Alright, so let's take a look. It's got one of these pull to open things here. Have I mentioned how awkward this is? Got my hands like wrapped around the camera. I'm looking into the viewfinder like 2 inches from my nose. How do these unboxing people do it? Oh, it's got some weight to it. Oh man. Look at that. That is awesome. Wow. Wow, that's cool. I love how there's like there's polished highlights, and then there's like some dullness to the details in there that's just like this awesome contrast. How's it look? I haven't tucked my shirt in so you guys can see it. I think my belt just a tad bit too wide for this, but not too bad though. I have to put some more holes in this belt too because it's not really losing my dad bod. This is cool. I've never had a belt buckle like this before. It looks awesome. Man, I love the color. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Martin. I've never gotten anything like this before. Certainly never from across the globe. So this inspires me to do one of two things: buy a motorcycle or start melting metal. I think the wife would agree to a Foundry before she'll agree to a Harley, but maybe someday. But in all honesty, this does inspire me to start melting some metal and doing some Foundry work. So I think it's about time. Look forward to those videos coming up soon. Alright, that's all I got for today. I promise there'll be some project videos coming out soon, so keep an eye out for them. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ah, that's cool.